Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Whitney, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you never miss another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this brand called Royal Beauty Cosmetics from Los Angeles, and they have sent me 3 lip kits for me to try out for you guys, swatch them, and show you what they look like on. Kits just look like this. Very nice material, metallic, and a little cosmetology thing. Looks like it has like a little diamond going on there. So yeah, they are matte lipsticks. Do not test on animals, which is anti-animal cruelty club. Yeah. So that's awesome. So they sent me 3 of them, and I will be showing you what they look like on my hand and then also on my lips as well. So let's get into it. So the first lip kit I am going to be trying out is called Arabian Nights. So let's open her up. And it looks like a dark nude mauve color. And then here's the lip liner. So it looks like this. So pretty. Ooh, this color is very nice. It's like a dark brown type, and it smells pretty good. So let's put this on using my Naked Basics to put this on. Okay.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So that's the first color. It's very nice. I actually really like it. It's very good for like a fall color, winter color, or just like a night out where you want to be like dark and mysterious. So one thing, they're a little dry, but I feel like it's a long lasting. So I feel like it's very long lasting, and I feel like it will stay on all night until you want to take it off. So that's very nice. I do really like this color. It's just a little dry, so maybe add like a little NYX butter gloss or something like that over top, and you're good to go. I'll give this color a 9 out of 10. I really like it. So the next color we're going to be trying is Maruba. Looks like that. It's a bright color. I normally don't wear this type, but might be fun for like spring and summer. It's very bright purple, so let's try it out. So the one looks like this, like that. So let's try it out.
What a wonderful world.
So this is what's it called again? No, that one. Maruba. It's very nice for an out party, or if you want to be like a little feisty one night. It's very nice. I feel like with the pencils it's a little hard to like shade in, but that the liquid lipstick felt a little bit more like smoother to put on instead of dry. And yeah, so I just feel like these lipsticks are very, very pigmented and that it will last you all night long. So yeah, so I normally don't do these type of colors on my lips. I normally stick with nudes, but it's making me feel a little adventurous. So this is lip number 2, and I will give this maybe an 8 out of 10 for the color. So yeah. Next color is called Pink Berry. So I can only imagine what this color is going to be. So this one looks a little close to the one we just did. It looks like this. Very nice pink. So let's swatch it. And let me just say, these lippies smell like cupcakes. Okay, these are very similar. These as a swatch. So let's see if it's any similar on the lips.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
Also wanted to show up into the video. Please follow me on Instagram. She has her own page. You can follow her with my other dog. It's Coco Candy X. Just wanted to let you guys know. So that is the last color. These colors make me feel fierce, and so that is the last color. Very wine color. It's very nice for fall again, or just a night where you want to go out and just kill it with your girls out and hanging out. So I would also give this lip probably like a 8.5 for the color. Like I said, I'm not used to crazy colors on my lips. I know it's not crazy, but I'm always with the nudes. So yeah, I'm excited to have these in future looks for you guys, and possibly if I ever go out and just want to look fierce. So these lip kits are $17.99 and it's free shipping. You can buy it on Amazon or on their website, which I will have below. And the quality is so nice. It's so pigmented and just shows up very nicely. Like I said, I feel like it's a little dry, but I feel like if you put like a gloss over top, this lip will be on for you all night long, partying your butt off, and or just chilling on the couch looking fierce, whichever you prefer. They smell like cupcakes. Like, I wanted to eat them, but I know it probably wouldn't have tasted good. So yeah, they went on, the lip liners went on very smoothly, and the lip glosses went on, the liquid lipsticks went on very nicely, but like I said, a little dry, but it's okay. I just know that it will last all day just because of how it feels. Let's do a kiss test. Whoa. Well, your boyfriend will like this. So the quality is definitely a 10. The smell smells so good, but you want to eat it and eat like desserts all night, and just, yeah, applies very nicely. And yeah, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, did I write this? Yeah, I did.